In this video, we're going to set up VibeTester AI test case generator for Jira and integrate it with Zephyr Test Management tool. The app has the option of using your own LLM, and we'll configure OpenAI in this demo. The app also integrates with Claude and Azure. Bring your own LLM configuration is optional, and with the advanced install of VibeTester, you can use the AssertThat LLM, which is ready to go out the box. No configuration required, and you'll be generating AI test cases in seconds. So we'll start by going to the VibeTester app settings and start with the LLM settings. You can get to this page from clicking on Marketplace Apps from the settings. So we'll click on Add API Key. We'll give it a suitable name. Enter the API key. Click Validate. Select the model. Click Add. Next, we'll set up the test management integration with Zephyr. Click on Add Integration. We're going to select Zephyr Essentials, and we're going to enter the access token. So for Zephyr, the access token is available by clicking on your profile. Then click on Zephyr Essentials API key. When you've generated that, just input the details into the field. Click Add. These settings can now be used across all your projects in your Jira instance. What we need to do now is go to the project settings and make sure the plugin is enabled. So we're going to select Apps and then go to VibeTester. Then we're going to enable it for the projects. For the test management integration, we're going to select Zephyr Essential. Issue fields for AI context is where we define which fields we're going to use and pass to generate the test cases. So we're just going to have the default values of summary and description. You can add any other Jira fields if you want to. And also, we're going to leave the test case generation rules set to the default values. For information, you can configure the test case generation rules to suit your project requirements, which helps ensure your team generates consistent test cases. Okay, now we'll go to the Jira issue and start generating some test cases. Jira requires marketplace plugins to be enabled on each Jira ticket, which is a one-time activity. Click on the button here, click on VibeTester. Then you can select the three buttons here, show for work items, so you don't need to do it again on other tickets. Within VibeTester, the first option you need to select is your AI integration. So we're going to select Own LLM, which is what we just set up. You've got three test formats for the cases, test cases, step-by-step, BDD-Gherkin, and plain text. We'll select step-by-step to start with. Additional context is where you can add more information. So if you've got information regarding the user story, you can supplement it here. Also, if you wanted to provide some more information around the specific test cases, the format or something like that, you can add that here as well. Okay, we'll leave it blank for now and we'll click on Generate AI Test Cases. So a little bit about the AI that we use to generate the test cases whilst this is loading. The advanced model used an Agentic model consisting of an author, critique, and rewriter. What this does is after generating the initial iteration of the test cases, it reviews them against the user story details, identifies any gaps and improvements before updating the test cases. We've seen a big improvement in the quality of the test cases using this approach. We are not aware of any AI Jira test case plugins that use this approach. So, unlike other plugins, we also ensure that the scenarios can be edited and reviewed before importing into your test management tool. We see this as a key step when generating AI test cases. We provided the functionality before they get imported to make your updates. You can drag steps around. You can delete steps. You can add new steps using our rich text editor. We've got a number of options in here to change the formatting of them, add bullet points, numbered, etc., links, and so on. Click on OK there. If you wanted to add brand new test cases, you can do that from here as well. Okay, So let's just create that. When you're happy with the test cases, you've done your review, then you can import them into Zephyr. So you've got another option here to export into CSV. If that's what you want to do, we'll just click on import for now. Let's take a quick look. So with this direct integration, you can see that the test case details have been added directly into Zephyr, saving your team time. You've got the description details here, and you can see that the test steps have been added into Zephyr as well. Okay, let's go back to the user story. So just for completeness, you can also create BDD-Gherkin and plain text scenarios as well. And these also can be imported directly into Zephyr. And the plain text scenarios. Great. So we hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, then please contact us via our support links or marketplace page.